So 2021 hasn't exactly got off to the best of starts, but Triumph has been doing its bit to put a big smile back on our faces with a little help from this absolute weapon. This is 178 brake horsepower. This is 192 kg. This is Triumph's all-new Speed Triple 1200 RS. And it's dripping in spec and tech, so we're here today to give you a bit of an idea of what we're dealing with. The Speed's got an all-new motor. It's shorter, 7 kg lighter and higher revving thanks to a wider bore and shorter stroke. That change in piston size is also the reason the Speed's capacity has grown to a hefty 1160cc, helping to unleash a healthy 178 brake horsepower while matching the last model's 125 Nm of torque. The introduction of a finger follower valve train means the engine can now rev 650 RPM higher and it spins up faster thanks to reduced inertia. Triple's compression ratio is higher, its throttle bodies are larger, and there's a new stacked gearbox that works together with a sharper, lighter slip assist clutch. Triumph's put some serious graft in to make sure the Speed can handle its added punch. At its core is a box fresh frame that's 10 kg lighter and promises to make the bike more agile and precise. The front end weight bias has also increased and there's been a huge emphasis made on mass centralisation. For added stability, the swing arm is longer, and to ensure there's zero chance of weakness in the cornering department, the RS has been kitted with track spec Öhlins NIX forks and the TXT rear shock. Brembo Stylema calipers are there to give the Triumph some serious welly in the stopping department, and an adjustable MCS master cylinder gives you the chance to optimise your braking preferences. The old Speed Triple was no Luddite, but this latest version has been kitted with a whole new wave of smart tech. Everything from cornering ABS to wheelie control, adjustable traction levels to 5 rider modes, including an enhanced track mode, make this Speed Triple the smartest yet. There's also a brand new TFT dash to feast your eyes on, and standard features such as self-cancelling indicators, cruise control and a wholly keyless ignition system help stamp this Triumph's authority at the top of the tech table. And for those who really love to get stuck in with their gadgets, Triumph's connectivity system means you can control everything from your GoPro to your mobile phone from the comfort of the dash. There's no second guessing what this bike is, but the styling of the new RS has been focused around a more muscular, cleaner and aggressive look. The bike's narrower, with wider bars and a taller seat. The pegs have also moved inward for more ground clearance. Gone are the underseat cans, being replaced by a single low-slung exhaust. And the LED lights up front are more potent and aggressive than ever, with a similarly striking look at the rear of the bike. This bike has got us massively excited and hopefully it has you too. It's going to be available in UK dealerships come mid-March and it's going to cost £15,100 on the road, and it will be available in sapphire black or matte silver ice. If you want to find out more details, go to triumphmotorcycles.co.uk and make sure to check out our review, which is coming your way soon.